And we are here right now at Jaipur Airport, and we're about to board at gate number 3 from Jaipur going to Mumbai. We will be having our boarding time at 7:25 or 7:25 in the evening Indian time, and we'll be able to reach Mumbai at almost 10 or 11 o'clock in the evening. So please pray with us. We'll continue this journey kung ano man po yung pinagagawa ng Panginoon sa atin, hindi lang po sa New Delhi, sa Agra, at hindi lang din naman po sa Jaipur, pati po sa Mumbai. Pagbabalik po namin doon, we will have a home visit, and then we will have a dinner with a family that we'll be able to minister with on Sunday. We'll meet students from Wilson College, and we will have an opportunity to go to children's ministry. Ito po yung mga street children that will be able to share the gospel of our Lord Jesus Christ. So, continue praying with us. We are all excited what God will do sa bansang ito at sa marami pa pong gagawin ng Panginoon. Maraming salamat po. Patuloy natin purihin ang Panginoong Jesus sapagkat po kayo ay kasama kung ano man pong ginagawa ng Panginoon. Hindi lang po sa bansang Pilipinas, gayon din po ang bansang India. Pagpalain niyo po ang bawat isa. Pray for a safe flight, traveling mercy and protection, good health and strength. Nahirap po ngayon ng pagkain, talagang ilang beses po kami nagsi-CR, but God is always in control. Again, maraming salamat, and to God be the glory for everything. Remember, ang bansang India ay para lamang sa ating Panginoong Jesus. Maraming salamat po. See you later sa Mumbai, India. Thank you.